Decoding the Phrase Re-shoot. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into an interesting term you might come across in the world of film and photography. Re-shoot. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in sentences. The term re-shoot is a compound word made up of two parts. 1. Re, a prefix that generally means again or back. 2. Shoot. In this context, it doesn't mean to fire a weapon, but to capture something using a camera. When combined, the term re-shoot means to shoot something again or to take a photograph or film a scene again. There are various reasons why someone might decide to re-shoot. 1. Technical issues. There might have been problems with the camera, lighting, or sound during the initial shoot. 2. Performance issues. Perhaps the actors didn't deliver their lines correctly, or there was an issue with the choreography. 3. Creative choices. After reviewing the footage, the director might want to capture the scene from a different angle or with a different mood. 4. External disruptions. Unpredictable factors like weather conditions or external noises might have affected the initial shot. Let's see how you can incorporate this term into your vocabulary. 1. The director wasn't satisfied with the first take, so he decided to reshoot the scene. 2. Due to the rain, we had to reshoot the outdoor scenes. 3. The lighting was off during the first attempt, which is why they scheduled a reshoot. We hope this video has helped you understand the term reshoot better. Remember, it's all about capturing the perfect moment or scene, even if it means doing it multiple times. Keep learning and stay curious.